first we need to know what is unit cell, right? Because till last date we have discussed about the atom. Okay, what is atom and how they are made up of things. So now it's time to you know go in details how the materials are basically designed, how they have been arranged, okay, in their own way. Sometimes we are required, we have a desire to make them in that fashion. Okay, so that fashion, that basic arrangement is known as a unit cell. Okay, I mean the basic, you know it's like we have the walls in our home. Okay, so they have the basic structure, the bricks. We have arranged the bricks in a different way. Okay, so we have the wall, right? So basic unit cell for our wall is a bricks. Okay, similar to the material, they have the basic structure. I mean, further, I mean the atoms are arranged. So that structure of setting the arrangement is known as unit cell. Okay, so it is basically the fundamental building blocks of a crystal structure in a solid. I mean solid materials. They represents the smallest repeating units that, when stacked together in three-dimensional space, forms the entire crystal lattice. What is the same example that I have taken about the walls in our room? Got it? Basically, the all materials are arranged in some different way. Okay, the way they have been arranged in their formation. Okay, I mean the basic on the very teeny or nano level there is the atom present, but the atom how they are arranged in making the solids is known as a unit cell. If atoms are present, I mean in a cubic cell, in a body centers cubic cell, or there are lots of different names of their structures. So the basic structure that has been repeated many times to make the solid is known as unit cell. Okay, I hope that you are aware. Basically, the at the very basic, very smallest level, you are atom. You are having atom, and how the atom have been arranged to make the arrangement to make a solid. Okay, because I mean it's a very if you will cut a solid to the very nano level, then you will come to the atomic level. Okay, so arranging the atom again and again in a fashion way that you would have the solid blocks, right? That arrangement is known as a unit cell. Okay,